Hello and welcome back to another series of Chartbusters brought to you by Nice Software Solutions. In this series, we will be exploring multiple chart types, their use cases, and build them using different business intelligence tools. Today, we will create Dendrogram using Tableau Desktop. Before we proceed, it is important for you to know that whether you are a beginner or an expert, you can easily follow along to build this chart with us. A dendrogram is a network structure. It is usually created as an output from hierarchical clustering. The dendrogram is highly used to work out the best way to assign objects to clusters. It is structured in the form of a root node, which further spreads in several nodes linked by the edges or branches. The last nodes of the hierarchy are called leaves. This chart can be used in various domains like retail, healthcare, hospitality, etc. The dendrogram chart broadly has two versions, single level and multi-level. For this demonstration, we will create a single level dendrogram visualization to show sales across different subcategories. Data densification is required to draw the curves in the dendrogram chart. To perform data densification, create an Excel sheet with the data as shown on the screen and name it as path. We will begin with connecting to the sample superstore dataset first. This dataset is provided by default when we install Tableau. From the sample superstore, drag the order sheet to the data source pane. Note: if you are using Tableau 2020.2, then the default data source pane will access relationships. Add a new connection and locate the path Excel sheet. For creating this chart, we will be using joins. To access joins, double tap the order sheet after dragging it to the data source pane. This will create a cross-database join between order sheet and path sheet. However, as there are no common columns in the joins sheet, we get an error. The join has no join clauses. Click Add New Join Clause, select Create Join Calculation. Type 1 and click OK. This join densifies your data that is used to define the hierarchical view in the dendrogram chart. This will double the number of rows. Let's go to Sheet 1. Right-click on Path Measure, select Create Bins, set the bin size as 1. Provide a suitable name for the bin. We will use the default name here, that is Path Bin. Next, we will create the following calculated fields required to create the dendrogram. Name the calculated field as Sales Value. Enter the calculated field as shown on the screen. The window sum is used to calculate the sales value for the entire view. As the data is densified, the number of rows gets doubled. So to get the actual values, we are dividing the whole value by 2. Name the next calculated field as Rank. Enter the calculated field as shown on the screen. This will assign unique rank to the sales value in ascending order. We will create another calculated field and name it as X. The expression for X is as shown on the screen. This expression will be calculated for each of the point based on the index from -6 to 18 with a step size of 0.12. This is required for the sigmoid function that we will use to create a curve line. 0.12 also signifies the diverging point for each curve. Name the next calculated field as sigmoid. Expression for this calculated field is as shown on the screen. This is the sigmoid function that will take the x points and plot the exponential curves. Let's create the final calculated field, y. Expression for y is as shown on the screen. This calculation uses the sigmoid function created previously to give the desired height for each curve. After the calculations, let us start creating our data visualization. Change the mark type to line. Drag Path Bin onto the columns shelf. Right-click on the pill and ensure that Show Missing Values is selected and drag it onto the path shelf. Drag X onto the columns shelf. Right-click on the pill, go to Compute Using and select Path Bin. Path Bin will help us get the proper curves for each path values that we have. Drag Y onto the rows shelf. Right-click on this pill, go to Compute Using and select Path Bin. Drag Subcategory to Label Mark. Let us now set the granularity of rank and Y to subcategory to achieve the height of each curve and rank each subcategory on the basis of sales. To do so, right-click on the Y pill and select Edit Table Calculation. In Nested Calculations, select Rank. In Compute Using, select Specific Dimensions. Select only subcategory. Now, in Nested Calculation, select Y. In Compute Using, select Specific Dimensions. Select only subcategory. We had initially set the granularity level of Y to compute at Path Bin, hence all the 4 measures that are X, Y, rank and sales value are being computed at Path Bin level. However, to plot the proper curves, we have set the Y and rank to compute at subcategory level. Drag sales value onto the color mark and right-click to select Compute Using and select Path Bin. Next, drag sales value to size mark. This will set the size of each curve on the basis of sales. Select Entire View, drag sales value to label mark, and make the cosmetic changes as shown on the screen to achieve the final result. And we are done. The key to interpret this dendrogram is to focus on the size and color of each node that represents the value of sales. The thicker and darker the node, more the sales value. Some of the applications of the dendrogram can be used to show the department-wise patient flow in hospitals and revenue generated by hotel chains in different cities. Hope you enjoyed creating this chart and learned some new techniques as well. You can find these applications along with some amazing dashboards on Tableau Public at the link provided in the description below. If you like our work and would like to make a dendrogram chart on your business data, then contact us today. To get notified about new charts, hit the bell icon and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.